What's good, y'all? It's your boy Huncho, and today we're going to be doing a little trade recap over the trade I took this morning and why I took it, why I got in, what I avoided, and what you can avoid when you're in the markets. So I went up to the daily time frame today to look at the trend direction, and I saw that it formed a trend line that was tapped 3 times. So honestly, I'm looking for sales regardless because lower high, lower high, lower high, and I understand that with market structure, that means that we're in a downtrend. And so I scaled down to the 15 minute to look for the supply zones, but I didn't see any. I saw one, but it had already been tapped into, and I didn't I didn't see anything else. So I scaled down to the 5 minute and saw that there were a lot of supply zones. So I marked up this one first, and there was news today at 7:30. So I was really just watching until after 7:30 because I don't want to be in any of those sporadic movements that happens during those during the news time. So as you can see, waited, and I'm pretty sure this trade won as well, but I didn't want to get into it because of news. But if we were to get into this trade, we would get in at this break of the candlestick, put the stop loss above the zone, take profit below, or take profit the last low, and it would have been a W. But I didn't take that because I didn't want to take anything before news came out. So I was being patient and I was waiting. So this zone is now invalid, and this is now the new zone I'm looking at. But as we got closer to 7:30, I really just was sitting on my hands because I didn't want to be in any of that. So I was waiting, see price itch up, and that's the news candle. And you see, that's why we don't get into anything like that because we don't know what this wants to do for real. This could go back up, go straight down. We don't know. So I just waited to see what price wanted to do. This is now an invalid zone though because it wicked it, grab liquidity, but we're still going in a downtrend because lower low, lower low. So as I was waiting, this supply zone formed. And this was the one that I was waiting for. This is a pretty big supply zone. So personally, I don't put my stop loss above the zone when the zone is this big. I put it above the last candlestick because if price shoots past the last candlestick that closed, I'm pretty sure that price is reversing. So I waited for this to retest the zone right there. And it did close in the zone, but it is under the EMAs. It's wicking the 200 EMA, or the 50 EMA, and the 13 EMA. And so when at the break candlestick, I got in, which is not right there. Sorry, guys. Break candlestick, I got in, which is I got in about right here. And I put my stop loss above the candlestick, take profit down here. But like I said, this is on my express funding account, so I was trailing profits very heavy. So we got down here, and we got there, and then I closed out. Not gonna lie, because if you scale up to the higher time frames, I don't like these wicks. I don't like the way it's wicking the bottom. I just didn't like it. So, and the 200 EMA is right here, is bouncing off of it. I didn't like that. So I closed it out, took my profit of $300, and now today we're up 310. Simple, easy, same trades I've been taking every single day for the past 2 years. It's literally clockwork. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow with another trade. See what the market gives us. If it gives us something great, if it doesn't, oh well. But we'll be there. Catch y'all later.